So, in my last tutorial, I showed y'all how to add emotes to your action controller, and then how to play audio alongside that using your FX controller. But if you didn't do anything to like your Locomotion controller or anything like that, you may run into an issue like this. So in VRChat, you can play your emote, and it'll work fine. But if you try to jump, then it will bork your setup because it's trying to lock your head back and give you head motion again. We don't want that. We don't want that. So what we need to do is we need to fix that. And here's how you do it. So, if you do not have a Locomotion controller, and you just want something basic to throw in there, what I recommend is Hooray actually made a fix for this. It's just a bare bones controller that fixes this issue. And all you have to do is literally just take it and add it to your Locomotion layer, just like that. And then when you publish this, it will fix just fine. And I can show that to you now. Okay, so now if we go into here and we activate the emote again, and we try to jump, you can see that it does not play any of the hop or fall emotes. It does not switch into those states because the transition is not allowed to happen. And I will show you a little bit more about that here. Okay, so all you have to do to fix that is literally just add this Locomotion fix. But let's say that you already have a Locomotion controller. Let's say that a lot of people use WetCat's Locomotion fix, which is pretty popular. You know, it does a lot of cool things. So we're gonna go ahead and use that. I'm gonna show you how to fix that one up. So if we actually go here and open up the animator for this Locomotion controller, you can see that it's a lot different than the bare bones one that we were using before. There's a lot more going on here. You have a lot of these substates. And so what we're actually going to do is we are only concerned with these transitions and these. But before we even get into that, we need to go ahead and add a new parameter here. Because we need VRC emotes. The same one that we got from the action layer. This one determines which emote is being played. 0 is a non-state. Basically, 0 means that there is no animation being played. And that's important. And so what we're going to do is now here on the Locomotion layer, we are actually going to go to these transitions here. And we are going to do each of these. And we're going to scroll down here to the conditions. And we're going to add a new condition. And we're going to go VRC emote equals 0. Just like that. And we want to do that for these right here. So same thing each time. And once you're done doing these 3 here, then we need to do the same thing for the desktop. And the desktop has 6 of them. One for the first standing animation sets, and then the one for the alternative or second animation sets. So we're going to do the exact same thing here. VRC emote equals 0 for all of these. And then once you're done doing all of that, then we are just going to ensure that it has been added to our Locomotion layer here, our base layer. And then after that, you just need to test it. If you are already in your test avatar, you will need to switch out of it and then switch back into it. Okay. So once you have completely reloaded the avatar, you can test it, and you can see that it works. And that fixes it.